Yo, what's cracking everybody? It's your boy Ace of Chef on a Budget, man. I'm over here again making up a good meal for the low. You feel me? A good meal for the low. So today we're gonna make some chicken fried rice. You know what I mean? All you need is green onions, carrots, broccoli, some stir-fried sauce. I mean, of course, the chicken. At first I was doing it out of the skillet. You know what I mean? I was making it out of the skillet. I actually went and bought me a wok today.
Ma, don't stop. Ma.
You know what I mean? You can get a wok for about $5 over at Walmart. I thought it was way more than that, but it's cheap, you know what I mean? So like literally all this chicken fried rice is enough to feed probably about a family of 6 with a little bit of leftovers left, you know what I mean? Today we're making enough for 3 people, and we'll have enough leftovers for about 2 days. Yeah, so let's get it popping. I'm gonna show y'all each step. And this is chicken fried rice for the low. Making chicken fried rice for the low. So yeah, we got the wok right here. The wok was about like $5 and some change. Came out to like $6. We got the green onions. I usually go to Aldi's to get my green onions. It's cheaper, but they had them on sale today at Walmart. So this was actually like $1.67. Got the bag of carrots. We're gonna chop them up in the bag of carrots at Aldi's. I think it's like 59 cents or something like this. This is actually like 95 cents. And the only reason I bought it because it was cheap. I didn't really want to go to another store. I mean, like I said, you can use any type of rice. I've actually tried all types of rice. You know what I mean? Sorry about the bird, and I got my dog. She's trying to get in. You can try any type of rice. You know what I mean? This is balsamic rice. It's good rice. You know what I mean? It's definitely good for making fried rice. We got the chicken breast right here, chicken breast, and also we got the carrots.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Broccoli, you know what I mean? Broccoli. And that was like, the broccoli, I got this from Aldi like about a week ago, and it was about, I think it was like 95 cents at Aldi's. And the chicken is $6.65. I mean, we're gonna add everything up. This is like the stir-fried sauce I get at Aldi's, you know what I mean? This is actually like $1.95. I have a half a bottle of that, so I'm actually using 2 kinds. I got this from Jewel's. This was like, I think, $3 for this small bottle compared to this bottle. I mean, and that actually tastes better. It's quite enough in there, so we'll be good for this. You need your olive oil. You really don't need that much, you know what I mean? Just a little bit. And yeah, eggs. Key. It's key. You'll see. So let's get it started, man. Chef on a Budget. We're making chicken fried rice for the low. Let's go. Let's get it. Yo, what's cracking everybody? So I know you guys are probably thinking why I have a skillet, a mini skillet up here, a pot, and also the wok. So we gotta make the rice. We're gonna use this to make the rice, and we're gonna use this right here for the eggs. Check it out. That's the little key texture you don't really realize in the chicken fried rice. So we're gonna have the eggs. We're gonna have the
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The rice right here now, we're gonna have the rice doing what it's gonna do. And then we're gonna have the vegetables and stuff right here, steaming up. We're gonna pour it, might as well, while I'm talking about it, let's go ahead and do it, you know. Might as well, just go ahead and do it, you feel me? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, turn that joint on, this on, turn this joint on, make sure everything cool. And then we're gonna turn this one on. We're gonna turn the skillet not too high, because we don't want it to be too hot. We got, you know what, I'm gonna change the position of this because the wok actually needs more heat than everything else. So yeah, we're gonna do it like that. So we got the, we're gonna pour the water up in there for the rice. I don't really use tap water like that. So, we usually just use water right at the bottom. And if you want to count this in, then this is $1 water. $1 water if you want to count that out. So we still ain't even at 20 piece, I don't think yet. You hear me? So we doing all right. We doing all right. Yeah, get this over still here. We doing all right. Yeah. I mean, they say a cup or something. I pour just a little bit, because it's right. That's just going to spread out. The wok right here, we're gonna go ahead, throw some oil up in that joint, just to make sure it get ready. But then we're gonna throw a little bit of oil right there, not too much, but we're gonna put some margarine over there as well. You're gonna make sure that this wok right here is getting bussin', you feel me? All right. Where's my, man, we're gonna hit that. Throw some butter in there. So we got the wok. Like I said, forgive me, my dog outside. I don't want him to be up, I don't want her to be up in here because she be tweaking and shit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. See, the wok is getting hot. Give it like about a good 5 minutes for everything to be situated. You see how that just rolling off of that and it ain't sticking? That's what you're looking for. You know what I mean? Well, you can throw that up in there, but we're gonna let it set for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna set the timer. We're gonna set it for 3 minutes because it's already been on for 2. So we're gonna set it for 3 minutes. We'll be back in like 3 minutes, all right?
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's been more than 5 minutes now, man, because my phone died. So yeah, the rice is done. Put some salt and pepper into that rice real quick. I already threw some margarine in there. I'm gonna throw some more in there. Yeah, gonna get it popping. We can throw the vegetables up in there right now. Put some stir-fry sauce. Do that real nah. Stir-fry sauce. This sauce that's done. And you just stir the rice up a little bit, you know what I mean? Just a little bit. This is done. Just let it set for a minute. Make sure you hit this real quick though. Turn that heat up on. Yeah, we can crack the eggs up over there, so we're gonna go ahead and crack them eggs up. Do like 3 salt and pepper with the eggs and everything too, just to give it a little extra flavor. I'm gonna have some minced onions that I'm gonna put in there too. Just 1 egg. 2. Tray piece, you know what I mean? Yeah. Usually scramble up, but I scramble up in the pot. You do scramble up in a skillet. And you let that go ahead, scramble. Once that's done scrambling, you can go ahead and toss that up in that pot with them vegetables. And then we'll be cold steaks that I fry up on them eggs. And we're gonna go ahead and get over here. clean this chicken and get the chopping so everything can be straight, and we can go ahead and put the final touches on that joint. You feel me? So we'll be back about like, give me a couple minutes.
Later.
So yeah, we over here, we got everything straight. You see the eggs and stuff on point, you know what I mean? We got this over here, the vegetables and stuff, just get it popping in the skillet. You know what I mean? You can smell the stir-fry sauce on that joint. We got the chicken chopped up right here. Make sure y'all wash y'all chicken before y'all just take it out the packet and start chopping that shit up. Wash it. Then chop it up, now, man. We ready though. We ready. We ready. We're gonna put this in here. We're gonna start seasoning with minced onions, salt and pepper, some moist soy sauce, and these eggs. So we're gonna go ahead and get it popping. Let's get it. Yeah, you just stir it for about like, shit, I would say about like 10, 15 minutes till the chicken and everything is brown, the rice is brown. Add more seasoning as needed, you know what I mean? You see earlier I just added more salt and pepper, more minced onions. I might need to add some more oil. I think I'm gonna do that right now. See, I switched from extra virgin oil to the canal oil, whatever you say now. Just a little bit, just so it won't stick too much, you know. Move these off so pretty much shit. So just keep stirring. 10 15 minutes here and there, now and then. It's gonna stick to the spoon. You just gonna get you something to break that off. 10 15 minutes here and there. Chicken fried rice. I'm gonna show y'all the final product in a minute.
Meanwhile.
Once everything is said and done, you'll have something that looks a little like this. It's brown. See how the chicken and everything is like brown. Everything is brown out there. It's so good. Hold on, man. Let me give me a fork or a spoon. A fork, clutch. What can I get? What can I get? Get some of this right here with this chicken on it. Right now. That's your fry. Yo, you want me to make any other, you know what I mean, dishes or stuff like that? Let me know. Smacking, man. Chicken fried rice for like $20. We'll say that now, $20. It's good. And you know you got salt and pepper at the crib and all that, man. Smacking. Let me know if you guys want me to do videos on like any other food, I mean, that you can make for the low. Remember, it's Chef on the Budget. It's your boy Ace. We out.